Okay, so I'm gonna explain what I referenced in the last video, which was like a coding video, just me straight coding different stuff. So, anyways, what I want to do is do a 30-day coding challenge just so I can like keep on coding. Um, Now, why is that? Just because I feel like I don't code enough in my free time, and I just want to like improve my coding skills, especially now I'm entering my first year. So that's pretty much the gist of that. So the 30-day coding challenge that I want to do was Codex, but then to do that 30-day coding challenge thing, I the reason I want to do Codex is because I actually have to post something. It's like, okay, wow, I actually did this. But to do that, I had to have 250 XP on Codex, and that's why that video, yesterday's video, went longer, because it was like, I didn't know about the XP requirement, so I tried to like grind out, but it turns out the challenge I did only got me 50 XP, and that was going to take 40 minutes, so it was around like 10 or 11 p.m. around that time. So I only get the 250 XP and just continue coding, but I'm going to try and make a switch from what I was doing last time. I'm probably going to switch to Java, because if I want to do a 30-day coding challenge and I can grind out the simpler stuff like while loops, conditionals, I should probably try doing that in Java, because I know I think I'm like not top intermediate of Python, right? But in terms of like Java, I think I'm still like beginner. I want to try and get to that intermediate stage before the end of June, July. But yeah, but it kind of sucks. I also want to go into machine learning. I know Python is better for that, but I do think it's important for me to learn Java. It doesn't like exclude Python. I can still do stuff in Python, but I still have some good knowledge on, like, I know the basics of programming, like the basics in a rough connotation, but I think my syntax for Java is still a bit rough, so I have to like refresh on that. So that's why I want to do the 30-day coding challenge with a mix of Python and Java. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Those to do on last update before I end this thing. For my first semester, I've started choosing my classes, right? And if I could actually pull it up, I would, but I cannot do that right now. But for my first semester, I've started choosing my classes. So my coding class for semester 1 is going to be in Java. It's going to be like an intermediate class. So that's why I'm like more so in a rush to try and refresh on that, because I know that my learning pace is good, but I think I'm a procrastinator. So when it comes to coding projects, I think I need a lot of time to experiment and see like, oh, what works, what doesn't work. I'm like a terrible, like for coding, my last minute all-nighters do not work as well as I want them to do. When it comes to writing, it works better, but like for coding itself, no. So I need more time to just like be better, because I know even though I do not plan to procrastinate or do like 1 minute all-nighters, I know that that may happen. So I'd rather like improve my skills now, so I can like still have more space to like, I have more space to catch up in class. You know, that whole mentality was wrong. So give me a second. Basically, I know coding can be hard for me, right? And it's harder for me to pick up skills or like see the bigger picture. Like sometimes when you're creating a program, right, or solving a problem, it's like doing a puzzle piece, and it's hard for me to like see the different pieces sometimes if I don't get the general gist. And for Python, it's become easier because I've done different projects here and there. But for Java, it's still a bit different. It's still a bit hard because you only have like about 1 or 2 years of experience. So I want to do more I can this summer, so I can, in like doing the classes, I can actually do the projects faster, and like by doing them fast I can actually learn faster as well. So that's pretty much my mentality with that. Besides that, there's nothing else that I really want to share besides still working on that personal website thing. And yeah, I'm still debating if I should just code. I want to try coding it, but I don't know if I have the time. But I'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll just do like works or something like that. But we'll see. Okay. Have a great day.